Welcome to the video of how to get your first payment from Meesho. Log into the Meesho app using your supplier mobile number and OTP. To access the supplier panel, click on Account on the bottom right. Once done, you will see Go to Supplier Hub on top. Tap on Proceed next to it, and you can access the supplier panel accordingly. Once you are successfully logged in, tap on the Menu tab on the bottom right. Here, you will see a couple of sections. Tap on Payments to proceed. This option will take you to the payment dashboard that will provide you with 8 reports. The first 4 reports will be your payment cycle, with each section broken down into the amount to be paid, previous charges, waivers or compensations to be adjusted for, and the net amount. This will be divided as total outstanding payments. This will be an estimate of the payments that Meesho owes you. This value may change due to returns that come in before the next payment settlement date. The next payment, it is important to note that Meesho settles their payment every 8 days. The last payment. This will list the amount transferred to your account on the last payment date. Previous payment. This will have a history of all the amounts transferred to your account. Following this is compensations and other charges. This will provide you with information on previous charges, waivers, compensations. The 6th tab is the Commission Tax Invoice tab. Meesho generates tax invoices for all your customer orders that are fulfilled by us. If you have certain doubts over previous charges or deductions from your orders, click on View Details. Then click on Download Excel, and you will be provided with a detailed Excel sheet with information such as the reason behind the cancellation, the date, and more. The 7th tab is the Ads Cost tab. This will provide you with details around spends on ads placed by you. The 8th tab is the Referral Payments tab. This will provide you with details on your reward earnings for successfully referring a supplier to Meesho. That's all. If you have any doubts or queries, please go to the support section of the admin panel. You will then be redirected to a page with a list of common problems that suppliers face. You can click on these topics to resolve your doubts. If your queries are still not solved, you can raise a ticket by clicking here, where you will be asked to share more details regarding the query and a callback number so our agents can get in touch with you. Happy selling on Meesho! If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel